What's going on, top producers? Alexander Fazalani here, and today we're going to discuss 5 automations that you need in your real estate business. But before we do that, I'm gonna need you to kick it with that like button, take a chill pill with that subscribe button, and then catch a vibe with that thing that looks like a bell so we can continuously bring this content to you for free 99. And as always, this is brought to you by Design for Agents, an e-commerce geared to making sure you have what you need in order to succeed in your real estate business, whether it be rocking cool apparel, branding, marketing, or just organizing your business. You can find out more information about that in the description below in that link. But now that we got that out the way, let's dive right in. I don't know if this ever happened to you, but have you ever been at home just sitting, drinking wine, watching Netflix, and someone just pops into your mind? You think about that prospect that you actually had a great conversation with, that gave you their number while door knocking that one time 8 months ago. So you actually mustered the courage to actually pick up your phone and give them a call. And then during that call, you got the worst news of your realtor career. Oh, hey Alex, thanks for checking in. I actually decided that I wanted to sell my house a lot quicker, so I ended up going with your competition, but if you have a buyer, please bring them by. As you politely excuse yourself from the call, fight back tears and the urge to curse them out, you think to yourself, how could they do this to you? The sad truth is they did nothing to you. Your follow-up game just sucks. If you had a follow-up system in place, I guarantee that conversation probably would have went a completely different way. In the age of technology, creating automated follow-up strategies are super easy. Most modern CRMs have features that allow smart campaigns, where automatic emails and text messages are sent out on your behalf just to check in. It literally only takes one day of sitting down and actually creating these flows to have a lifetime of hands-free follow-up. What you should put in your smart campaign is a lesson for another day. However, there are some smart campaigns that you should be utilizing right now with your database. There's one campaign that I recommend that everybody have, and that's a buyer's campaign. This one is usually geared for inbound leads or leads that you're getting from online. The beauty of it is that you can actually use it for all your online sources, whether it be Zillow.com, Realtor.com, Homes.com, your Make It Rain program, etc. I personally have a 1,000-day follow-up campaign that shoots out texts and emails on my behalf, and it also reminds me when I need to make those follow-up calls. Which leads us to campaign number 2, which is the short-term sellers campaign. This campaign is usually geared for sale by owners, aka FSBOs, and it's proven statistic that most for sale by owners end up listing with an agent within about 5 weeks of trying. So you might want to create a short-term follow-up plan that shoots out a text, call, and email to the for sale by owner at least once a week for at least 3 months. The whole premise of these contacts is to sprinkle in educational and engaging content to show yourself as the authority to the for sale by owner. Which leads us to campaign number 3, which is the long-term seller campaign. This campaign is usually geared for expired listings or circle prospecting. These prospects are actually looking to sell about 3 months to 6 months to even 5 years out. So you want to make sure that you have calls, texts, emails, and sometimes even mailers in your campaign, and that they're getting some type of information from you on a monthly basis. This next campaign that I'm going to tell you about is severely overlooked. This one is way underrated. It's the networking event campaign. This campaign is the most simple, but one of the most powerful ones you're gonna have in your arsenal. If you go to a networking event and you meet other real estate professionals or a potential client, your whole goal is to stay in contact and create that friendship. Your whole campaign could be text-based and as simple as, hey, how's it going, every so often. Real estate is a relationship-based business. The more relationships that you have and that you nurture, the more leads you're gonna get. Which leads us to last but not least, the open house campaign. This campaign is literally similar to that first campaign that we created, except that the first 3 contacts are going to be geared around that open house. So the first one might be, thank you for coming to the open house. It might be a text message that's sent out about 2 hours after they attended the open house. There might be an email geared around what benefits there are to working with you as a buyer's or seller's agent. And then the last one is going to prep them for that long-term follow-up plan. Like, hey, do you mind if I stay in contact with you in case you are looking to buy or sell in the future? If you incorporate these 5 automations into your CRM and follow-up plan, I can almost guarantee you that you'll close more deals, develop more meaningful, mutually beneficial relationships, and have a great time doing it because you're gonna have more time with your friends, family, and doing things that you really love. Again, guys, my name is Alexander Fazalani. If you have any questions in regards to the topics that we spoke today, you can also DM me on Instagram or you can leave a comment below. I'm more than happy to help out. And as always, this is brought to you by Design for Agents, an e-commerce geared to making sure you have what you need to hit the pinnacle of your career, whether it be marketing, branding, organizing, or rocking some really cool apparel. You can check that out in the description below and go set up those automations, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.